things. Question says we should determine, wait, we should determine the value of P. Ne? And then what is P? P is the value on top, English. So every time when we're given a sigma notation, a learner should remember that first thing first, you are supposed to expand and get the series, English. So we are going to first start by substituting 2 here. First thing that you have is 2. So we are going to have 3, open bracket 2, and then we have 2 minus 1. This is for the first term. Yes. Plus. We have 3, open bracket, we have 2, and then we have 3 minus 1. Plus. We have 3, 2, and then we have 4 minus 1. So you're going to get a mark for getting all the answers here. Just for expanding, there's a mark for that. So if you type this and this and this, what do you get? 6. It's 6, this one. Plus 12. Plus 24. Like this. Dot, dot, dot. They will give us a mark for this. Where are we going to get the other mark? The other mark is for n, without even doing anything. So the other mark that we're going to get is for n. N, how do you get n? You say top minus the bottom plus 1, English. So you're going to say n is going to be the top. What is the top? It's P, English. Yeah. Minus 1, which is the bottom. Yes. Plus 1. Minus 2, say the bottom is top, top minus the bottom, which is 2, plus 1. And then the answer that we get, it says which P is going to be minus 1. Yes. That's your n. Yes. And yeah, then I will give you a mark for this. N is equal to P minus 1. Yes. Okay, you can continue then, Chairman. At least I gave you 2 marks out of the 4.
Yes, sir. So then, Mr. Continuing forward, Mr. We know we can write this thing regarding these 2, substitute more x, Mr.
Huh?
Oh yeah. So then starting from here, we can R, Mr.
Okay. What is R?
The guy cries 24. It's 2. R is equal to 2.
I'm showing you something here. The other thing that you should take note of, because some of these things, man, you shouldn't waste time. I agree. You see this, and then you see this. This is A. This is yeah. You can, especially if it's to the power of something. It's something that is worth noting. Not to say which is always that's always the case, but usually it works. Okay, so R is 2. Ne? You are not going to get a mark for that because R is 2. Right? You are not going to get a mark for saying A is equal to 3 because A is 3. Because this thing here, if you check here, it's a geometric series already. You can see. Because if it's a geometric series, I'm sure A, and then it says Rn minus 1. And then if you see this thing is in that format already. Yes. Sir. So there's nothing.
Also, Mr. AR na as 6.
6 as 3. Oh, it's 6, Mr. It's not 3. It's not 3. Okay. It's fine. Okay. Maybe let's do the right thing then. Let's say R is 2.
It's 2. Yeah.
Okay, R is 2.
Yeah, the calculations.
Okay, so we say A is the first time it's 6. Ne? Oh, yes, which if you wanted your A to be 3, it means which you're starting at X is 1.
Yes. 3. They are 3.
So you could have made it by starting at
X is 1.
Yeah, but we want the top part, it's fine. Okay, so we have R is 2, A is 6. Ne? Okay, you can proceed, Mr. Chairman.
So then, Mr. We know as long as you determine the value of pure centrifugal the Sn equation. So then our Sn is equal to A open bracket 1 minus R. When I didn't use that one.
Let's use this one because the R is positive. Ne? So we can use this one that says R to the power of n minus 1.
N plus.
Yes. R minus 1.
Okay,
so
what is
then,
Sn?
Our Sn is 1530.
1530. What is
A?
A?
Our A is 6. Then our R is 2. Then our N is P minus 1.
Or our N. We can do it. Which one is better? I mean, I think let's do it as N and then we substitute it. I'm sure we just know this here. So let's keep it as N minus 1 all over 2 minus 1.
So then this is it over the matter of multiple cross multiplications.
Okay, this one gives us 2. Ne? This one gives us 1. This thing here. So this one we don't have to worry about it because it's 2 minus 1.
Yes.
So we have 1530, ne? Which is going to be 6.
6 open bracket 2 to the power n minus 1. So then we're going to divide by 6 both sides, Mr.
Okay,
Then let's divide. Yeah, the 6 cancel 6. Then our answer will be 255.
255, which is
Yes,
going to be
which
equaling
is
to
equal
2 to the power of n
n
minus 1.
minus
Take
1.
this one to
Then
the
we're
other
going to
side.
transpose to the other side. Then our 256 is equal to 2 to the power n.
Okay,
So then, no, just because of the exponent, which is a variable, or we can introduce log, Mr.
oh, you can introduce Mr. Log, ne?
Mr.
Yeah,
Log.
we're in grade 12 now. We know something about log.
Yes, Mr.
Okay,
So then here introduce a log, where are we root over log n, which is equal to log of 2.
base 2.
Yes, then there globally 256. So then every punch I'm calculating, we're having something like 8.
So this one is 8, ne? But we're not looking for n.
Yes. So
Maybe that's the mistake, which
so then remember one thing. So then remembering one thing, that our n is equal to p minus 1. So then what we can substitute p more n more than n substitute p minus 1.
okay.
Yes. Our p is equal to 9.
So our p is going to be equal to what? To 9. And then I'm wondering, what if we started we were going to get the same thing if we started Q1
Yes, I think.
and then do this question using 3. If we started with 3.
But they were going to tell them what the sum of which is 3 because they are starting with 2 and the starting with 6. Because there was the sum will not be equal to 15.
No.